Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dan Murphy and this is TalkTechToMe. Now today I'm going to do a challenge. I want to see if I can get an 8-year-old to pass a university entrance exam. So for this, I'm going to need an 8-year-old. Ella! Welcome to the channel. What's your name?
Ella.
And how old are you?
8.
And what class are you in?
P4.
P4. Now, you're not a child genius?
No.
Are you secretly at university?
No.
No? Good. Well, today I'm going to get you to sit an entrance exam for a mathematics degree at university. Are you ready for the challenge?
Mm-hmm.
You ready to do this?
Mm-hmm.
Pump it. Let's do this. So to make things fair, I wasn't just going to give Ella a straightforward university entrance exam. What I've done here is I've built a few AI agents using Gemini Studio that's going to help her out. On the right hand side of the screen you'll see is the exam questions, a multiple choice, and on the left hand side of the screen then is a different application that I built which she can put the questions into and hopefully help her answer them then as well. So let's see how she gets on. Okay, there you have it. Exam over. We're about to hit finish exam. How do you think you did, Ella?
Good.
Good, okay. Time for the big reveal. Exam complete. You scored 56 out of 57. 98%. You scored 98%, Ella. Boom. Yeah. So there you have it. An 8-year-old can pass an university entrance math exam. Now, for that exam, I used 2 AI generated applications. I was using Gemini Studio, and I'll take this one first. So this is the St. Anselm's College entrance exam. Essentially, I managed to get a PDF of it, and yep, PDF with loads of random questions in it. I then went to the Gemini Studio, and I essentially gave it a simple prompt of build me an exam based off this PDF file. It done all the work. I prompted it a few more times, make a few wee tweaks to give you the exam completion page at the end and tell you how you're done. Made it multiple choice, and made you go back and forth. And essentially, it was maybe 10 minutes, a few prompts, and yeah, you can get an active exam working that. You can download it directly to your machine, or you can actually deploy it directly off Cloud Run. I use GCP for a lot of my projects as well, so I can actually get this up and running on the internet within minutes and working for me, no problem. The other one then I used was a little bot I made called I Can Answer That, and it was very well. It was a bit more complicated because I wanted it to capture my screen, so it had to essentially integrate into Windows. It had to enable and allow quite a few little bits and connections to it, but essentially there's nothing to stop you using your screen capture tool and then pasting it directly in and telling it to do whatever you want. You know, what does this code do? And it will go off and use Gemini Flash 2.5 in the background to answer whatever questions you want. We had it sort of set up for exam questions, but here, yeah, even using that bit of code, it essentially is analysing its own code and it's giving you spewing out examples. Super simple, like 5 minutes of work, got that up and running for me. This is going to be massive for students going forwards. A student can build an application without any coding experience that answer any exam question they want. It's really changed the game, and I think universities, schools, colleges are really going to have to rethink how they do exams and how they actually measure success and knowledge obtained by their students as well. So yeah, I wanted to show you that briefly. On to the conclusion. And so there you have it. Using a couple of apps I put together in 10 minutes using Gemini Studio, we were able to help an 8-year-old pass a university level mathematics entrance exam. I'm Dan Murphy, this is TalkTechToMe. I always appreciate you watching my content. Ella, over to you.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button for more awesome videos. See you in the next one. Bye.
See you in the next one. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.